everyone, welcome back to NIIT YouTube channel. And Lovable has recently made a major upgrade and it completely changed what you can build using their platform. They have introduced connectors, which mean you can now plug external tools directly inside your Lovable app. You can connect things like real-time research tools, AI voice generation, live web data, and even build app using content from collaborative boards. In this video, I will walk you through what these connectors are and what they unlock, and how you can use them to build much more powerful apps inside Lovable. So let's get started. I have logged into my Lovable account, and if this is your first time, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below and head over to the lovable.dev and sign up for the new account. And once you are inside the dashboard, all you have to do is head over to the bottom left and click on your avatar. From there, go into settings and then open the section called connectors. This is where you will see all the connectors that are currently available and ready to use. Right now, you can see integration from the tools like Atlassian, Linear, Notion, Miro, as well as NIIT. And if you click on Browse Connectors, you will find even more options like Perplexity, ElevenLabs, Firecrawl, Supabase, and others. Each connectors unlock a different capabilities. For example, if you want real-time research with sources, you can use Perplexity. If you want AI voice output, you can use ElevenLabs. And if you want scraping or live web content, Firecrawl handle that. To show how this works, let's say I want to build an app that needs web scraping. I will select the Firecrawl connector and click on Add Connection. Here I have two options. I can either use my own API or use the managed option provided by the Lovable. I will give the connection a name, let's say Firecrawl, and choose the managed by Lovable option, which means I don't need to handle API keys at all. Now just click on create button, finalize the connection. Once I create the connection, it instantly activates. This same process applied no matter which connector you are using, whether it's Shopify, Notion, Miro, or any other supported tools. Now that the connector is added, now if you want more connectors, you can also request them by clicking on the request button bottom right. You can request the name of the tool and the Lovable team will send it to you. Now that the connectors is added, the next step is actually using it. All I need to do is tell the Lovable what kind of app I want to build. For this example, I want an app where user can paste a blog post link and instantly repurpose that content into a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and an email newsletter. So let me just quickly read it for you guys. Create a clean, intuitive web application that allows user to instantly repurpose blog content. For social media, users should be able to paste a link to any blog post, click a single generate button, and within seconds receive high quality ready to publish content tailored for LinkedIn, Twitter, X, and email newsletters. And because we are using Lovable in this, we can choose the theme we want. So instead of using default, let us choose a lavender one. And since the app needs to read content from URL, I mentioned in the prompt that Firecrawl should be used to fetch the content, and once I send the prompt, Lovable automatically understand which connectors to use and start building the app. In a minute, you will see it setting up backend functionality, connecting Firecrawl, reading the prompt now. We will build a sleek content processing tool with clean modern design. Let me see a bit theme, create the UI component and integrate Firecrawl for content extraction. And now there is one special feature of Lovable that the Lovable cannot use any function without asking us for the permission. So here it's asking us to use the cloud function where it can use database, storage, authentication, and backend logic all ready to use. Add an LLM to your app. And now we can give the permission to the Lovable to use the cloud function. We can skip here, I will remove it later. After a few minutes, you will see it setting up the backend functionality, connecting Firecrawl, generating the UI, all without writing any code. And after a few minutes, the first version of and now it's asking us the permission to use firewall automatically. I will give the permission to connect to firewall. You can also view all the edits it's made one by one if you need. You can check the code as the Lovable is building. And now, after a few minutes, the first version of app is ready. I can now paste a blog URL. So I have an article here which is about Google VO3, a guide with practical example. So let me just copy the URL of its article and paste it here. and now and now I can just click on generate. If you scroll a little bit down, here you have it. Your content is ready. You can click copy on any section to use it right away. They have given us the LinkedIn post, which is Google VO3 is making wave in a AI video generation, and for good reason. What truly set it apart is its native audio output, generating full video clip with integrated dialogue, ambient effect, and a background music. While many AI video demos often overpromise, I recently put VO3 to the test. It also added some hashtag here also, AI video, VO3, Google AI, content, content creation, digital marketing, and tech innovation. All the hashtags are very good in this comparison. As we ask in the prompt, we want 4 Twitter and X threads. So here we have it. Google VO3 is here. It's game changer for AI video, native audio output, dialogue, music, SFX. Set it apart from Sora and Runway ML. Get ready for truly impressive AI generated clip. It also edits some more hashtag here also, AI video and VO3. As for the email newsletter, it's given us a more better version of newsletter that any human can write. The subject VO3, the AI video generator that changing the game with native audio, as well as the subject, as well as the body of the email. Hey there, we are being diving deep into latest AI innovation, and Google VO3 has truly captured our attention. This isn't just another AI video generator, it's a significant leap forward, primarily due to its native audio output. And now, uh, as we ask for the prompt, we can also copy this message to, to use it wherever we want. Now, let's say I want to improve this app. I can just describe the changes. Add new functionality that generate high quality Instagram post caption from blog post URL, extract the blog content, then create a concise engaging caption suitable for Instagram, ready to copy and post with one click. So now let me just send the prompt to the Copilot. I send that instruction and Lovable update the logic and the UI automatically. So now I will paste the link here and hit generate. And here it is, our LinkedIn post, Twitter threads, as well as Instagram post caption. Okay, AI video generation just got a major upgrade. I am talking about Google VO3, and what blew me away is its native audio output. Imagine full video clip with dialogue, ambient sound, and background music all generated. No more awkward silence or mismatched audio. This is huge step forward. To similar content, it gives us some hashtag also like VO3, AI video, Google AI, content creator, tech trends, and I can also copy it and paste it in my Instagram story. And that's the power of Lovable connectors. You can combine different tools, experiment freely, and build serious applications simply by describing what you want. And that's all I want to show you in this video. So if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comment section which connectors you are going to use to build your own personalized app. Thanks for watching. This is NIIT, making learning tech simple and fun.